Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with the repair and tune-up report for Vernon in Texas. Vernon, you sent this to me. Output was way down on it. It was kicking on and off on sideband. Modulation was down on it. Meter lights were out of it. Humming noise coming from it. Immediately sourced the main problem to be coming from the power supply. We upgraded it, went to the 30 amp supply in it. It'll last you a lifetime. Put the 5mm wide angle LED clears in here, which make for a really nice piece. Alignment on the radio, clarifier modification for sideband. You do quite a bit of sideband talking. And when it come in here with the R power all the way down, it would swing to about 100 watts, and all the way up it would go to about 180 watts. So let's see what we got here now. We'll turn the R power all the way down, and we are on AM. 100-watt slug going forward. We're going to flip it in PEP mode. Multiplier down in 2x position, so now we're reading like a 200-watt scale. Hello, audio. Completely obliterates the 200-watt scale. Now we're going to go to the 500-watt scale. Read the middle set. 20 is 200, 30 is 300. Halfway in between is 250. Hello, audio. Wow. Hello, audio. Every bit of 280 watts PEP. Now we're going to go over to sideband. Keep in mind we still got the R power all the way down. Hello, audio. 250 watts PEP on sideband. We'll go back to AM. Turn R power all the way up. It's dead keying 1 watt all the way down. I'm going to go back to the 1x position. We're reading the 100-watt scale. About 44 watts all the way up. So that should work nicely for you. You can adjust it from 1 watt to 44 watts. No issues whatsoever there. Vernon, I appreciate you sending it to me and allowing me to fix your radio and truckerize it, my peak and tune. And I'll line it for you. It's going to be a great radio from here on out. Once again, I'll key up. Hello, 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 hello. No blinking, no dimming of the lights, nothing. Hello, hello, 1111. Sideband. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Isn't that amazing? No dimming at all by the power supply upgrade. It's an upgrade that every RCi-2995dx deserves. TruckCBSales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.